These are truly unprecedented times. Unhinged banking practices, mega corporation consolidation, worldwide inflation, rumors of world war, and a universal mistrust of election integrity have all created an atmosphere where the institutions we used to rely on have utterly lost their meaning. Who is really in control? For the last 100 years, our common law rights have been stealthily replaced by privileges granted by the state. Sound money, nationalized banks, and our rights to property have all but evaporated. In 1913, the Titanic sunk, and with it any hope of long-term resistance to the will of private central banking powers. Fast forward to today, and we now pay 30% in income taxes before we can even cash our check, and another 10% by the time we spend it. The only truly meaningful recourse we have is to educate ourselves, not only in the ways that the system works, but how to insulate ourselves from the mess that we have inherited. Utilizing private contracts, especially in the form of express trust, offers you the best measurable results in asset protection, tax advantages, estate planning, and privacy. Frankly, we're too late in the game to be giving up nearly half of all of our potential energy to a system that does almost nothing for us, or worse. These are old tools that can help us during these perilous modern times, and are exactly what Frontier Capital Trust exists to make accessible to you. Whether or not you choose to use them is up to you.